A new year is upon us and I can't wait to get started. Typically, we stop posting between December and March, but this year I'd like to not miss a single month's posting. That being said, I want to wish you all a great start to the new year and tell you to get ready for the best year yet at White Paint and Pastels. We have so many videos coming to you, and we are pursuing some other ventures we hope to come to fruition before 2024. We'll be resuming normally in February, so stick with us. Till then, a massive thank you for your growing support. Also, your comments are invaluable in knowing what part of the content you like and what you think we could do better on. I'm having a blast making this content, and I want to continue creating, and your support makes that possible. Thanks again for joining us here at White Paint and Pastels. Please check out my website and use the links below for any art supplies you might need. Please ring the bell, subscribe, and we'll see you back here on the first Friday of every month. But most importantly, get out there and keep doing art because life's a medium.